Shh. Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cameron County in northeastern South Dakota, Clark County in northeastern South Dakota, Sabine County in northeastern South Dakota, southwestern Cottington County in northeastern South Dakota, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hitchcock to near Cavour to near Carthage, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Oh my
These are
god.
destructive storms for Tulare, Carpenter, Willow Lake,
Oh my
Bryant.
god.
Hazard, 80 miles per hour
Jeez!
and ping pong ball size hail.
Those are destructive.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
These are heading
Mobile homes
northeast
will
as
be
well,
heavily
so it's going to
damaged.
impact us in
Expect
a few
considerable damage
hours.
to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tulare around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sabine Colony around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glendale Colony around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Frankfort, Carpenter, Dolan, Camrose Colony, Fordham Colony, Clark Colony, Willow Lake, Bryant, Turton, Mayfield Colony, Clark Virgin Islands, USANA, Kellerton Church and Hamlin Education Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern South Dakota. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh my gosh.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious
Uh-oh.
The National Weather